Biopedalo from Italy to South Africa, day 248. Let's go! The night caught us off guard with a heavy storm. The rainy season is definitely making itself known. In the morning, under a still uncertain sky, we lay everything out to dry. Tent, clothes, backpack. Luckily, I meet Pico, a local fisherman, who helps me repair the tent, which I had a big tear in a crucial spot, essential for keeping insects out. Then we head off to catch another pirogue back to the mainland. Along the way, a few nice encounters and a road surrounded by jungle, truly breathtaking.